Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is Nakali's Corner and thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is going to be a very simple one and a very short one. Today we are making organic aloe vera powder. The aloe vera powder is made from dried aloe vera leaves that is blended into a powder consistency. This style of making aloe vera actually increases the lifespan of the leaves and can later be used in your hair or on your skin. So the next step after washing your aloe vera is to get your chopping board and then you grab your aloe vera. Yes, make sure you've washed them very well, just like this. Yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut the top off. You're not going to use that part of it, so you cut it off. Then you begin to slice your aloe vera up into very thin slices. Yes, just like this, very thin slices. Aloe vera in general has a lot of benefits. When added to creams, it can help you heal mild burns, sunburns, or acne due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It also reduces pain, swelling, and itching from mosquito bites or any kind of itch you have on your skin. Just rub aloe vera on it or add the powder to your cream and rub it on it, and you find out that it reduces the burns or the pains immediately. So after washing and cutting your aloe vera, the next thing is to transfer it onto a baking sheet. So it's wise and advisable that you cover your baking sheet in aluminum foil so you don't have the aloe vera sticking or getting stuck on the sheet. So I also decided to arrange it one after the other, but that's too much work, so I'm just going to push it onto the sheet and arrange it well. Just make sure that you don't have one slice lie on the other, so they can all dry perfectly well. Aloe vera is very beneficial for the hair. You can use it in deep conditioners, you can use it as a hair mask, you can use it in your hair growth oils to enhance hair, to give your hair strength, to keep it healthy and shiny, and to give you a very healthy scalp too. And we are almost done here. So you take your tray out into the sun and you allow the leaves to dry. Okay, so this is 2 days or a day after. Yes, I think this is a day after my aloe vera is completely dried out. Yes, because you can see completely dried. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in a blender and blend it up into a smooth powder. So here we have it, our final product, our aloe vera powder. You can go ahead to sieve it or leave it like that. I'm going to leave mine like that so you can store it in an airtight jar and use for your skin or your hair. Aloe vera is very good for the skin. It's like soothes sunburns, calms irritation, relieves dry skin, and also nourishes and hydrates the hair. So this is a must-have in every home. So this is where I end this video. Don't forget to like, as it helps me grow my channel. I will see you next time right here in this corner. Bye.